Come on, hit the glove. Good pitch. Do one more like that. Another 12-4. You're still taping, right, Bill?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Give me a couple 10-4s. Another 10-4. Don't forget to twist and fold, right? All right. Give me a 10-2. Couple 10-2s, and that'll be it. Okay, try another 10-2. Got to hit the glove here. That was that hit the right-handed batter. That's better. Give me a couple 12-4s now. How's the video going, Bill?
Good.
12-4. It's a little low. Hit the glove. Let's go. Give me a good fastball here. Hit the glove. Come on, you can throw harder than that. Let's go. Give me a good fastball here. Good fastball. Hit the glove. All right. Stop the video, Bill.